Welcome to Compare Foods TV. I'm Jacinda.
And I'm FlyTy, and here all month long at Compare Foods, we're celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month.
Yeah, so join us September 15th through October 15th as we dive deeper into food, culture, and a little history.
And this region has the most colorful and delicious fruits and vegetables. So let's start off with one of my favorite fruits, bananas.
These are not bananas. These are plantains, and these are my favorite. I grew up eating these every single day, and especially the green ones, FlyTy. These are like tostones. These can be fried with a little salt. I used to help my dad mash them every day.
No matter how you cook them, Jacinda, all I know is that they're delicious.
They really are. And another one of my favorite fruits, dragon fruit. Oh my gosh. One thing you may not know is that this is actually a cactus. It just doesn't have the pricklies all over it. And can I just say, it smells so good in this section right now. My God.
I love the color, Jacinda, and the taste is even better. I like to slice it open and spoon it out. You should try it too. Make sure you follow us all month long on Facebook at Compare Foods Charlotte to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month.